Hello everyone, I am Nikita Agarwal and welcome to my channel Apostle Mathematics. Today we are going to solve three very important trigonometric identities. You may be listen about these identities, like the first identity is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Second identity is 1 plus tan squared theta is equals to sec squared theta. And third identity is 1 plus cot squared theta is equals to cosec squared theta. These three identities are really very important, and the proof of these identities is also very important. So first of all, I'm going to solve how we are going to find out these identities. So first of all, everyone knows that what is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Everyone knows that Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras? Like, if this is our triangle ABC, then if our theta is at here, then what is base? Base is BC, perpendicular is this, and hypotenuse is this. And according to our Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. So this is our equation number 1. What is p square plus b square is equals to h square. So I am going to give the name as equation number 1. Now we are going to divide this equation number 1 by hypotenuse square on both the sides. So divide both the sides by h square. We are going to divide both the side of the equation by hypotenuse square. So p square plus b square divided by h square, and h square is divided by h square. So in this case we can cancel out h square by h square, so it is 1. And what is, we can also write this equation number 2 as, I am going to give the name this as equation number 2. So we can also write like p by h ka whole square plus b by h whole square, because if we are going to solve this again, then we get the p square plus b square, and that is, and upon in denominator we get h square. So we can also rewrite this equation as this. Now we know that what is p by h and what is b by h. Like everyone knows, Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. Correct? Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. So what is value of sine? It is p by h. What is value of cos? It is b by h. What is value of tan? It is p by b. So where p by h, so what is value of p by h? It is value of sine theta. And what is b by h? It is the value of cos theta. So here we can also write it p by h. Like I can substitute the value of p by h by sine theta. So it is sine theta whole square plus b by h. What we can write from like Pandit Badri Prasad? We can write this as cos theta whole square, and that is equals to 1. So this is our first trigonometric equation, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. So for this we have to simply just write the p square plus b square is equals to h square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Then we can divide both the side of the equation by hypotenuse square, and then we have to just simplify h square by h square is 1. And if we divide by hypotenuse square, then I can also write individually p by h whole square plus b by h whole square. And we know that what is p by h? It is sine theta. What is b by h? It is cos theta. So this is our equation number 1. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. We can rewrite this equation like sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1 is the standard form of equation. We can also use this equation like sin squared theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. We just simply move this cos square theta on the other side. Now we can also rewrite this equation as cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Because in this case, our standard equation is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And we can move, like, if we have to calculate the value of sine square theta, so we can move this cos square theta on the other side. Or if we have to calculate the value of cos square theta, so we can move sine square theta on the other side. So from one equation, we will get the two more equations. So I can give the name as equation number 3, 4, and 5. So this is really very important, students, and you have to know that how to calculate like sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and we can also like rearrange as sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my video.